Hi, we will watch how to change the font size of Visual Studio Code easily. This is the default size of my font, a bit smaller. So File and then Preferences, Settings. And here under font size, you will see 14 as default size. Now change it according to yours. I'm increasing it to 22 and pressing enter. And to me it's a bit bigger. Changing it again until I am comfortable. Okay, I think 16 is okay for me. And by this way you can change your VS Code font size easily. And I hope it helped you, and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.